Teka lang, sorry ah. I just have one last message. Quick lang.
Ayan ka!
Firstly, I would like to thank each and every one of you that's here today. You guys you touch our hearts really. Everyone here, the Viva family, we are so grateful for each and every one of you. You know, we know that you guys, some of you traveled a long distance to get here today. We know, and we really appreciate that. And for all the fan projects that you guys do for us, thank you so much. Your unwavering support is really, truly cherished to us.
Tama. At saka sobrang na-appreciate namin na kahit sino yung tumututong dito sa stage, nag-cheer talaga kayo. Kaya maraming salamat po.
And lastly, Malviga, really proud of you. You see this? Ash, I truly want to say that I truly appreciate you. And starting my journey, I wouldn't have wished it done with anyone else. You are not only a blessing to my life, but a blessing to many others here today. With that being said, thank you. Nagulat ka ba?